Well, the judge used harsh language in describing the state's executive order. He said they ignored student safety and violated their constitutional rights.
The judge's declaration brought teachers a declaration of victory.
This win is about our public schools. It's about children.
And the judge said it was about their right to go to school safely. In requiring school districts to open physical classrooms by August 31st or lose $23 million a month in state funding, the judge said the governor and education commissioner's executive order arbitrarily prioritized reopening schools over safety and the advice of health experts. The state reduced the constitutional guarantee of a safe education to an empty promise.
Shame on our governor and our commissioner of education who have recklessly told us that we had to have a brick-and-mortar option.
The state had argued, though, that it was even more dangerous to close schools, especially for already at-risk or special needs students. They insisted their order still gave parents options.
Any opening of the schools will bring about some type of risk. The greater risk is the closing of the schools.
But the judge's order cited Hillsborough schools and how at their back-to-school hearings, 5 of 7 doctors said it would be unsafe to return to school at that time. One board member told Fox 13 it's possible the plan to reopen buildings in 4 weeks is now back in play.
We know what our jobs are. We simply don't want to risk the lives of our kids. We don't want to risk our own lives and, by extension, our families at home.
The school board here in Hillsborough County will be talking tomorrow morning at its regularly scheduled board meeting about a way forward, although there are no votes expected tomorrow. The governor's office told me that they have already appealed the decision, which means that decision is now on hold until higher courts sort it out. Kelly.